Unboxing time!
I'm restless, so give me some.
Hey guys, how you doing? I got a box here. I know what's in it, but I wanted to share it with you guys. I've been waiting for a while for this. Honestly, it has been almost a year since we did this. This has been a package that I've been waiting for. I went and did one of those nice little crowdfunding projects because one of my favorite web comics was doing one of my favorite comics. And I finally got this. It took them a bit. They had some issues, which is fair. It seems like a lot of these places have been having issues with packaging and their distribution and everything else like that. But at least they actually get their shit out. Unlike some other crowdfunding things that I've gone and supported. Not mentioning any space venture quest games. 6 years and still fucking waiting. Tell you. Anyways, so let's show you what I got in here because it's so cool. Now, if you have ever heard of Blind Ferret Entertainment, you know that these guys do webcomics. If you ever heard of Looking for Group, or Least I Can Do, that's exactly what it is. So they had a crowdfunding. So what I have is the complete 13th year collection, which is great because I think I have 1 to 12, and the complete 14th year collection from At Least I Can Do. Yeah, 2 of them. I thought there was 3 for some strange reason. I don't know why. Oh, and awesome. This is going up in my thing. That's awesome. You also get a little poster with that. Wicked. It's on a piece of paper, but it's autographed. So I'm kind of, yeah. That's kind of awesome. Really awesome, actually. So yeah, I got 2 big comic books. Usually these are year-longs. I thought for some reason it was 3 and not 2. But they're also autographed as well. They went and autographed all of them. And yeah, I really do like these. I've got the complete collection again. Till they do another crowdfunding and they have to bring up 15, 16, 17, whatever else. But I'm up to date. These guys, if you've never checked out Least I Could Do or Looking for Group, I like the webcomics. They're really quite awesome. Least I Could Do is a lot of fun. I've been keeping up with them for the past, well, 13, 14 years. And it's been pretty neat just to keep up with these guys. So yeah, just a quick unboxing. Very simple. Crowdfunding thing that went on, and they actually came through. Like I said, unlike some other places, not naming any Space Quest venture games. Oh, we've run into so many problems apparently with that. We've run into this, we've run into that. You know, I'm as much as I would love to say that I want to be understanding, it's been 6 years. I think it's time to start refunding some people money, but at the same point in time, I've heard that there is no money left. But that's a different story. These guys actually came through. I do have more unboxing coming up, so please stay tuned. We got some other things happening, so until next time, folks, I'm Dan, aka PK, saying cheers, thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Have yourselves a wonderful night.